Have you ever felt the sting of rejection, only to realize it was a necessary step toward your growth? Today, we're delving into the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and the art of embracing rejection with stoic resolve. Picture a world where every setback serves not as a roadblock, but as a stepping stone toward your ultimate success. Rejection, though often misunderstood, can be harnessed as a force for resilience and personal development. It's not about defying fate, but rather accepting that every no is an invitation to pursue a greater yes. So if you've ever felt sidelined or undervalued, it's time to reclaim your power. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies inspired by Stoic philosophy to help you navigate rejection with grace and determination. These are not mere theories. They're actionable principles you can incorporate into your daily life. But before we embark on this transformative journey, let's join hands in spreading this message of resilience. Give us a thumbs up and ring that notification bell to signal your commitment. Now, let's journey together, ready to turn rejection into triumph, one stoic step at a time. 1. Maintain emotional resilience. When confronted with the sharp sting of rejection, our immediate reaction is often a surge of tumultuous emotions. Frustration, sadness, and even anger may threaten to overwhelm us, clouding our judgment and obscuring our path forward. Yet, in the midst of this tempest lies an opportunity for profound introspection and growth. Rather than succumbing to the chaotic whirlwind of emotions, let us instead adopt a measured and deliberate approach. Take a moment to step back from the tumult and draw in a deep, steadying breath. Amidst the turmoil, pause and reflect upon the true source of our distress. In many cases, it becomes apparent that the rejection itself is not the primary cause of our anguish, but rather the echoes of our own insecurities reverberating within us. By courageously acknowledging and confronting these inner demons, we begin to unravel the tangled web of emotions that threaten to ensnare us.
Here, Stoicism emerges as a beacon of wisdom in the stormy seas of rejection. It teaches us not to suppress our emotions, but rather to harness their power and channel it into a composed and thoughtful response. When faced with indifference or dismissal, let us strive to remain steadfast in our kindness and grace. Instead of allowing ourselves to be consumed by bitterness or resentment, let us focus our energies on our own actions and responses. Our self-worth is not contingent upon the approval of others. It resides firmly within ourselves. By mastering the art of calmness in the face of rejection, we assert our autonomy and reclaim our inner strength. Through this journey of self-discovery and resilience, we come to realize that true confidence stems not from the fleeting validation of others, but from a deep-seated belief in our own inherent worth. Thus, let us embark upon this journey with courage and conviction, knowing that with each trial we face, we emerge stronger, wiser, and more deeply grounded in our own humanity. 2. Transform fear into action. When the specter of rejection casts its shadow upon us, fear often emerges as its steadfast companion, whispering doubts and insecurities into the recesses of our minds. It's a natural response, a primal instinct to protect ourselves from the perceived threat of failure or disappointment. Yet within the depths of fear lies a latent potential, a raw, untapped reservoir of energy waiting to be unleashed. Stoicism, with its timeless wisdom, offers us a roadmap for harnessing this formidable force and transforming it into a catalyst for action. Rather than allowing fear to shackle us in the chains of doubt and hesitation, let us boldly confront it, staring into its abyss with unwavering resolve. For it is in the face of fear that our true mettle is tested and our capacity for growth is revealed. Picture fear not as an insurmountable obstacle, but as a potent source of motivation, a clarion call to rise above our limitations and seize control of our destiny. Embrace the discomfort, the uncertainty, and let it fuel your determination to push forward, to strive for greatness despite the odds. In the crucible of rejection, let fear be your guiding light, illuminating the path to self-discovery and personal transformation. Embrace the discomfort of uncertainty, for it is within the crucible of challenge that true growth occurs. But remember, transformation requires action. It requires courage, the willingness to step boldly into the unknown, to confront our fears head-on and emerge stronger on the other side. It is through action that fear is conquered, and our potential is unleashed upon the world. So the next time fear comes knocking at your door, don't cower in its shadow. Stand tall, embrace its challenge, and let it propel you forward towards your dreams and aspirations. For in the heart of fear lies the untapped potential of human resilience, waiting to be unleashed by those bold enough to take action. 3. Practice gratitude. In the midst of life's storms, it's often gratitude that acts as our anchor, steadying us amidst turbulent seas. But what does it truly mean to practice gratitude, especially when faced with rejection? Firstly, let's acknowledge that gratitude isn't just a fleeting feeling. It's a powerful practice, a way of life that can transform how we perceive the world around us. So, let's dive into the depths of gratitude and explore how it can become a lifeline during times of rejection. Start by cultivating a gratitude ritual, a daily moment of reflection where you pause to acknowledge the blessings in your life. It could be as simple as journaling 3 things you're thankful for each morning, or taking a quiet moment before bed to express gratitude for the day's blessings. But here's the real magic of gratitude. It's not just about counting our blessings, it's about shifting our perspective. When rejection knocks at our door, it's easy to focus on what we've lost, the doors that have closed. But gratitude encourages us to look beyond the closed doors and appreciate the open windows, the opportunities, the lessons, the growth that rejection brings. Think about it. Every rejection is a redirection, a nudge from the universe to guide us towards something better suited to our path. So, instead of dwelling on what could have been, let's embrace gratitude for the journey, the twists, the turns, the unexpected detours that ultimately lead us to where we're meant to be. And let's not forget to express gratitude to those around us, the friends who offer a listening ear, the mentors who offer guidance, the strangers whose acts of kindness brighten our day. A simple thank you can forge connections and build resilience in ways we may never fully realize. 4. Finding meaning in suffering. Suffering is an inevitable part of the human experience, a shadow that looms large over our lives, casting doubt and despair in its wake. Yet, within the depths of suffering lies the potential for profound transformation, a journey towards finding meaning amidst the chaos. When faced with rejection, it's easy to succumb to feelings of despair and hopelessness, to question our worth and purpose. But what if, instead of viewing rejection as a cruel twist of fate, we saw it as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery? This is where the concept of finding meaning in suffering comes into play. Drawing inspiration from the wisdom of Stoicism, we can choose to reframe our experiences of rejection as valuable lessons in resilience and perseverance. Consider this: every rejection, every setback is a chance to unearth deeper truths about ourselves, to uncover hidden strengths and untapped potentials. It's a reminder that our worth is not defined by external validation, but by the courage and resilience we demonstrate in the face of adversity. So, how do we find meaning in suffering? It begins with acceptance, acknowledging the pain and disappointment that rejection brings, but refusing to let it define us. Instead of wallowing in self-pity, we can choose to embrace the lessons that rejection offers, to learn and grow from our experiences, rather than allowing them to consume us. Finding meaning in suffering also involves reframing our perspectives, shifting our focus from what we've lost to what we've gained. Perhaps rejection has redirected us towards a different path, one that aligns more closely with our passions and values. Or maybe it has revealed areas where we can further develop and improve ourselves. Ultimately, finding meaning in suffering is a deeply personal journey, one that requires introspection, resilience, and a willingness to embrace life's uncertainties. It's about recognizing that even in our darkest moments, there is light to be found, that within the depths of suffering lies the potential for growth, transformation, and ultimately a deeper sense of purpose. So, the next time you find yourself facing rejection, remember this: you are not alone in your suffering. Instead, view it as an opportunity, a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. And in doing so, you may just find that the greatest meaning can be found amidst the most challenging of circumstances. 5. Rise above expectations. In the face of rejection, it's easy to feel disheartened and discouraged. The sting of being told no can leave us questioning our abilities and doubting our worth. But what if we flipped the script? What if, instead of letting rejection define us, we used it as fuel to propel us forward? Proving them wrong is about embracing rejection as an opportunity, a chance to challenge the doubts and misconceptions that others may have about us. It's about refusing to accept defeat and instead harnessing the energy of rejection to drive us towards our goals with even greater determination. But proving them wrong isn't just about proving others wrong. It's about proving ourselves right. It's about shattering the limitations that we've placed on ourselves and stepping into our full potential. So, how do we go about proving them wrong? It starts with a shift in mindset. Instead of seeing rejection as a roadblock, we can choose to see it as a stepping stone, a necessary part of the journey toward success. From there, it's about taking action. It's about setting ambitious goals and working tirelessly to achieve them. It's about refusing to let setbacks derail us and instead using them as opportunities to learn and grow. And perhaps most importantly, it's about staying true to ourselves. It's about embracing our unique talents, strengths, and perspectives and letting them guide us on our journey. 6. Silence the need for approval. Seeking validation from others is a natural human tendency, but when faced with rejection, it's important not to fall into the trap of begging for attention. Begging for attention not only undermines our self-respect, but also gives others power over our emotions. Instead of seeking external validation, focus on cultivating self-assurance from within. Remind yourself of your worth and value, independent of others' opinions. Redirect your energy towards self-improvement and growth rather than seeking approval from those who have rejected you. By refusing to beg for attention, you reclaim your power and autonomy. You demonstrate that your self-worth is not contingent upon the validation of others. Embrace your uniqueness and strengths and let them shine without needing validation from anyone else. Remember, your worth is not determined by the attention or validation you receive from others. True confidence comes from within, and by focusing on self-love and personal growth, you can break free from the cycle of seeking validation and find fulfillment on your own terms. 7. Respect nature. Central to Stoic philosophy is the idea of living in harmony with nature. But what does it mean to live in accordance with nature? In essence, it's about aligning our thoughts, actions, and desires with the natural order of the universe. This involves accepting the things we cannot change and focusing our efforts on what we can control. Living in accordance with nature means embracing the inherent rationality of the universe and recognizing our place within it. It's about acknowledging that we are just one small part of a much larger whole and understanding that everything is interconnected. This perspective encourages us to cultivate virtues such as resilience, acceptance, and gratitude. It teaches us to adapt to the ebbs and flows of life, finding peace and contentment in the present moment. By living in harmony with nature, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering and find tranquility amidst life's uncertainties. We learn to appreciate the beauty of existence and find meaning in our journey through the cosmos. 8. Turning crisis into opportunity. Life's journey is not always smooth sailing. It's often riddled with storms and rough seas. However, within these tempests lie hidden opportunities waiting to be uncovered. Adversity serves as a catalyst for growth, pushing us beyond our comfort zones and forcing us to confront our limitations. It's during these trying times that we discover our true strengths and resilience. Each obstacle presents a chance to rise above our circumstances and emerge stronger and wiser. Moreover, adversity provides invaluable lessons that shape our character and perspective. It teaches us humility, empathy, and the importance of perseverance. By embracing these challenges, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. In the face of adversity, it's crucial to maintain a positive mindset and seek out the silver linings. Rather than succumbing to despair, view setbacks as opportunities for self-reflection and personal development. Every obstacle overcome is a testament to your inner strength and determination. So, the next time adversity knocks on your door, greet it with open arms. Embrace the opportunity for growth and transformation it brings. Remember, within every challenge lies the potential for greatness. 9. Illustrate your significance. In a world where recognition and acknowledgement often feel elusive, it's essential to showcase your worth confidently and authentically. Demonstrating your value goes beyond mere self-promotion. It's about showcasing your unique skills, talents, and contributions in a way that resonates with others. Start by identifying your core strengths and passions. What sets you apart? What do you excel at? Once you've identified these areas, find opportunities to showcase them in your daily life, whether it's at work, in your personal projects, or within your community. Be proactive in seeking out opportunities to demonstrate your value. Take on challenging tasks, offer your expertise to those in need, and consistently deliver high-quality results. By showcasing your skills and dedication, you not only establish yourself as a valuable asset, but also inspire confidence and trust in those around you. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of effective communication. Clearly articulate your ideas, opinions, and achievements, and be prepared to advocate for yourself when necessary. Confidence in your abilities can be contagious, making others more inclined to recognize and appreciate your value. However, it's essential to strike a balance between self-assurance and humility. While it's crucial to showcase your strengths, it's equally important to remain open to feedback and opportunities for growth. Demonstrating humility demonstrates your commitment to continuous improvement and fosters positive relationships with others. Number 10. Enjoy the journey. In moments of rejection, it's tempting to withdraw and dwell on negative feelings. Instead, make a conscious choice to seek joy and connection. Engage in activities that bring you happiness, whether it's spending time with loved ones, exploring nature, or indulging in hobbies. Prioritize laughter and lightheartedness, knowing that these moments of joy can uplift your spirits and build resilience. Don't let rejection dim your light. Go out, have fun, and cherish the beauty of life. Let's keep this conversation alive and thriving. Your stories of resilience and growth are what make this community so special. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay connected. Share your victories, your struggles, and everything in between in the comments below. Remember, even if you're lost for words, simply typing Stoic wisdom lets us know you're part of this journey. Together, we're building a community fueled by wisdom, understanding, and resilience. Stay connected, stay strong, and let's continue mastering the art of resilience together.